Want to turn Black Friday into your biggest sales day of the year? Stick around, these marketing tips could make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive into essential Black Friday marketing tips that can elevate your business during one of the busiest shopping days of the year. As the holiday season approaches, it's crucial to stand out in a crowded marketplace. We'll explore strategies that not only attract customers but also foster loyalty and drive sales. Effective marketing during Black Friday is vital. It can make or break your year-end revenue. With millions of shoppers eager to snag the best deals, having a solid plan in place is key. From leveraging social media to creating irresistible promotions, we'll cover actionable insights that any business can implement. Step 1. Identify your target audience. To kick off your Black Friday marketing strategy, it's essential to identify your target audience. Start by defining who your ideal customers are based on demographics such as age, gender, income level, and location. Understanding these factors will help you tailor your messaging effectively. Next, research their shopping habits and preferences. Are they bargain hunters looking for the best deals, or do they prioritize quality over price? Knowing this will guide your promotional strategies. Creating customer personas is a powerful way to visualize your audience. These personas should encapsulate the characteristics, motivations, and pain points of your ideal customers. By doing so, you can craft targeted marketing campaigns that resonate with them. This focused approach not only enhances engagement but also increases the likelihood of conversions during the competitive Black Friday shopping frenzy. Step 2. Create enticing offers and promotions. Once you've identified your target audience, it's time to create enticing offers and promotions that will capture their attention. Start by deciding on the types of deals you want to offer, such as discounts, bundles, or buy one get one free promotions. These incentives can significantly boost customer interest and drive sales. Ensure that your offers are clear and easy to understand. Complicated promotions can confuse potential buyers and deter them from making a purchase. Use straightforward language and highlight the value of each deal to make it appealing. Additionally, promoting limited-time offers is crucial for creating a sense of urgency. Shoppers are more likely to act quickly when they know a deal won't last long. Use countdown timers in your marketing materials and emphasize the exclusivity of your offers. This strategy not only encourages immediate purchases but also enhances the excitement surrounding your Black Friday promotions. Step 3. Leverage social media for promotion. To maximize your Black Friday marketing efforts, leveraging social media is essential. Start by choosing the platforms where your audience is most active. Whether it's Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, focusing your efforts on the right channels will ensure your promotions reach the right people. Next, create engaging posts that showcase your products visually. High-quality images and videos can capture attention and highlight the value of your offers. Consider using eye-catching graphics or short clips that demonstrate your products in action, making them more appealing to potential buyers. Don't forget to use relevant hashtags to increase your visibility and reach a wider audience. Additionally, running targeted ads can help you connect with users who may not yet follow your brand but are interested in similar products. By combining these strategies, you can effectively boost your Black Friday promotions and drive more traffic to your business. Step 4. Optimize your website for Black Friday traffic. As Black Friday approaches, optimizing your website to handle increased traffic is crucial for success. Start by ensuring your site can manage the surge in visitors. This may involve upgrading your hosting plan or optimizing your site's speed to prevent crashes during peak shopping hours. Next, update your product pages with clear pricing and promotions. Make sure customers can easily find the deals you're offering, as well as any relevant details about the products. Clear visuals and concise descriptions will enhance the shopping experience and encourage purchases. Additionally, implementing a user-friendly checkout process is vital to reduce cart abandonment. Simplify the steps required to complete a purchase, and offer multiple payment options to cater to different preferences. By streamlining the checkout experience, you'll make it easier for customers to finalize their orders, ultimately boosting your sales during the busy Black Friday period. Step 5. Email marketing. To inform your customers. Email marketing is a powerful tool to keep your customers informed about your Black Friday promotions. Start by building an email list of interested customers who have opted in to receive updates from your business. This targeted audience is more likely to engage with your offers. Once you have your list, send out newsletters highlighting your Black Friday deals. Make sure to showcase your most enticing offers and provide details about the products that will be on sale. Engaging visuals and compelling copy can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your emails. By effectively utilizing email marketing, you can drive traffic to your website and increase sales during the competitive Black Friday shopping season. Step 6. Analyze and adjust your strategy as Black Friday unfolds. It's crucial to analyze and adjust your marketing strategy in real time. Start by monitoring sales and customer feedback during the event. Pay attention to which products are performing well and which promotions are resonating with your audience. This information can provide valuable insights into customer preferences. Utilize analytics tools to track the effectiveness of your campaigns. Metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and overall sales figures will help you gauge what's working and what isn't. By understanding these data points, you can make informed decisions about your marketing efforts. Black Friday marketing tips recap. In this video, we've covered essential Black Friday marketing tips that can help your business thrive during this competitive shopping season. We emphasized the importance of planning and execution, starting with identifying your target audience and creating enticing offers. Leveraging social media and optimizing your website are crucial steps to ensure you capture customer interest and drive traffic. Additionally, we discussed the significance of email marketing to keep your customers informed and engaged. We encourage you to implement these tips to set your business up for success this Black Friday. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Together, let's make this Black Friday your best one yet.